Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how you can export YNAB's data to the Excel file. So first you have to do is just open your YNAB, and then from here you just have to go to the all accounts. So once you tap on that one, you will see all of the transactions and all your accounts in here. So once you're here, just have to select the account that you're going to be exporting to the Excel. So let's say, for example, this one. So I'm just going to click on this one. So it will look something like that. And then tap on more at the bottom. From here, just have to tap on the export transaction. And once you tap on that one, just have to confirm by tapping on export. So once you tap on that, it will download an Excel file. So in here, you just have to select this one and it will open the Excel. So in here, you will see all the transaction of the selected account. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.